Oh, go ahead.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no sleeping or eating, no sleeping or laying down, no drinking or eating, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, Madam Court Reporter. Can you hear me okay?
Good morning, Judge. Just hear you loud and clear.
Okay, fantastic. You can stay the way you were. I just wanted to make sure you were all set for this morning.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're very welcome. All right, Attorney Perkins, good morning. I'm going to call your matter first, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of People versus Michael Anthony Wilk. This is ticket number P1412456. Count 1, improper lane usage. Count 2, violation of basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. This is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. May I have your appearance for the record, please, Attorney Perkins?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court. My name is Todd Russell Perkins, P55623, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wilk. I would waive his appearance as I have authority on his behalf, and these are civil infractions.
All right. The court will allow you to waive his appearance on today. The officer is present today. However, it's my understanding that you need an adjournment, Attorney Perkins.
I do. It's a little bit more than I anticipated, and I have some personal issues that I need to address as soon as I can.
Okay. If I go out to April 25th, is that too far away for you, Attorney?
No, not at all.
Okay.
I mean, I'll put it on my calendar. That's fine.
I was about to say, I can try and get you a little sooner, but if that works, that's my next date for a trial.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll see you back on April the 25th. I know the officer is here. I'll make sure that he's at this time, okay?
Yeah, I apologize to the officer for wasting time this morning, but I just didn't know about the case really. I just thought it was a ticket.
It's okay. I was about to say, you got the counts now and you know what's going on, right?
Yeah, I do. I know how to beg.
Okay, I figured that's what it was about. It's all right, Attorney Perkins. I understand. All right, you take care of yourself.
I ain't too proud to beg, Judge.
I know you're not. All right. Well, you have a good day and take care of what you need to take care of. Talk to you later.
Right. Thank you, Ms. Walker.
She said you're welcome. She stepped out. All right. All right. Attorney Dow, I'm gonna call your case in like a few minutes, okay? Because it was on the 8:30 and there's no officer here. So
Okay.
And then Attorney Puta, I'll call your case as well in a moment. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I see your client is on that one too. Randy.
Galaxy A32 3G. What's your name, sir? You unmute. Get your microphone to unmute. There you go.
Jermaine Williams.
Okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Williams, you're here for a trial, okay? I'm gonna place you in a breakout room to speak with the attorney, okay?
Okay.
Okay, when you see join on your device, hit join.
Okay.
Yes.
What's it called?
Well, then you have the attorney.
Oh, you have- Okay, I'll check.
That's why you know this part is early, okay? I went to the house early because I was tired.
Oh, I'm not on mute. Sorry.
Is that right? Why she gonna try?
Okay.
Ms. White, have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, ma'am. I spoke to the attorney. They're waiting on some paperwork. He said that the officer wasn't there.
Okay,
He's here now.
I'm gonna place you into a waiting room, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Marcella Yusuf, attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcella Yusuf. This is ticket P 1320566. This is one count tinted windows for front passenger seat or front driver passenger windshield. Count 2, improper lane use. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. AJ Dowd on behalf of Ms. Youssef.
And do you have permission to act on behalf of her today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. How are we proceeding, counsel?
It appears the officer who issued the citation has failed to check in. I'd ask for a motion to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, the time is now 9:30 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. on my docket. No officer having checked in, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Thank you.
Have a nice day, Your Honor.
You too. Attorney for Zeno check.
That's it.
Ready, Your Honor?
Thank you. Now calling the matter of people versus Leonard Zeno check. This is ticket number P130, nope, 31. Let me start again. This is ticket number SP1310493. One count disregard officer signal. I think this matter was on my docket for, oh, it's on my docket for 9 a.m. I'm sorry, attorney, I thought this was a civil infraction that was on my docket at 8:30. I usually give the officers an hour, so you're gonna have to go back on mute for a moment.
Okay.
All right. All right. Officer Gurney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, thank you. The attorney asked for an adjournment of this matter today, so we adjourned it until April 25th, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Hello?
Your Honor, has an officer showed up for Lloyd White yet?
I don't
No,
know.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You just started.
All right. Jermaine Williams, did you talk to the attorney already?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. Mr. Woodget, did you talk to the attorney already? Okay, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. Okay, all right. Attorney for Lloyd White?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lloyd Dwayne White. This is ticket P1413221. Count 1, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Robert Gaddy on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, and the time is now, we are here today for a formal hearing. This matter was set for 8:30 a.m. on my docket. No officer having appeared in this matter. Do you have a motion at this time?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, I would move for a dismissal.
All right. And is your client here today, sir?
He's not. I'd ask that you waive his appearance as a civil matter.
All right, you have the authority to act on his behalf.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't catch it.
Yes, I'm sorry, you have the authority to act on his behalf?
I do.
All right, so I'm gonna dismiss it. I'm gonna allow you to stand in on his behalf at this time. All right, you're all set.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Officer Williams, you just check in for Brandon.
No.
Yes, we did. Officer Winter, that's right.
You're talking about detail. Yeah, that's the term.
Oh, that's the- Oh, that's why.
He had to go to a different.
All right. Attorney Williams, I call my cases, I give them an hour, so I'll call it at 10 o'clock, okay? It's on my docket at
That's-
9.
That sounds good, Judge. Thank you kindly.
No problem. All right. All right, Attorney Baldwin, who you ready on?
Judge, I'm ready on everyone with the exception of Angela Yelder Kyle. I just spoke to Corporation Counsel. They've asked for a Secretary of State driving record to be placed into the file, and they indicated they were gonna come down and look at that. And all the other cases are ready, saving Nikita Wilson, Your Honor, that we need Officer Bumpus.
Okay, give me 1 minute. You know, Corporal Bennett checked in on Robin White too, Attorney Baldwin.
I am aware of that. The defendant has compliance documents on Corporal Bennett's cases. So
Okay.
the question would be the non-appearance of the officer on the allowing case.
I'll hold tight on that one. I know we're waiting for Officer James Woodard too, is that correct? Is the trial for today?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, could you repeat? You went in and out.
I know, I'm sorry. James Woodard is a trial for today, but no officer came in yet, did they, or did they?
No Officer Robbins on James Widget and no Officer Robbins on Jermaine Williams, Your Honor.
Okay.
Now he has two on the docket. The other one for the ROA.
All right, he has some matters, Mr. Williams has some future matters scheduled for a later court date. I'll just keep them at that date. And then. What about Lauren Waller? What you doing with her?
The option practice, either different court, we can check in.
Officer Croxton checked in for her.
No, actually, she was on the docket.
Just arraignment.
Well, you know what?
I got a phone here. She's got the same counsel, the same counsel checking for her?
Yes.
Okay. We got the same counsel. Oh, I see him, okay. Why did two people look down here? What's interesting?
I didn't get for the arraignment.
Because if it's all the same, then it's supposed to be a trial. Officer Croxton checked in. All right. Attorney Newman?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So officer, so on my schedule, it looks like it's just scheduled for a formal hearing. Officer Croxton did check in this morning, Corporal Croxton. The other two counts are on the docket as well, but they just look like arraignments. But I'm willing to have a bench trial if you want, or you can resolve everything today if he's gonna check back in. How do you want to handle it?
I'd like to speak with the city attorney, Your Honor, and see what we can do.
Fantastic. Oh, absolutely. Let me get you over to her when she signs back on, okay?
Thank you.
Fantastic. All right. And on Miss, going back to Attorney Baughman, on Miss Wilson, I do have her discharge papers. So,
Gotta make us ready then.
okay, cool. All right, let me bring out some of these folks. I'll handle her, then I'll handle Faye Withington, and then I'll handle some of the dismissals for today. You ready on Faye Withington, Attorney Baughman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh,
Miss Withington?
yes.
Okay, now calling the matter of people versus Faye Withington. This is ticket P 1340961. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Faye Weddington.
Thank you, and good morning, Miss Wethington. Defendant is pleading not guilty, Your Honor. She's here for show cause. We ask that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
Okay. Miss Withington, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Pardon me?
Can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial or a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this for a waiver trial on the date of April 24th. Nope. April 25th. I'm sorry. April 25th. That's going to be at 9 a.m. It's via Zoom. So, Ms. Withington, you're on the phone today, but I need you to actually be on the Zoom app somehow. Either it's on the computer or on the phone. So between now and then, you need to figure that out because we have to be able to see you for the trial, okay?
Okay. Even though I went on and paid and get everything, I got all the proof of me getting the automobile out of pond and all that.
So how can we see it today, Ms. Withington?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, so now you get why I'm saying it, right?
Right.
Right, so we have to be able to see it or else I can't see it on the phone, right? So you gotta work.
Right,
I know it's
true.
hard. If it gets too hard, then we'll figure something else out, but try and get with somebody so that they can help you get on so that we can be able to see all the documents you got together, okay?
Okay, great.
All right, so April 25th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay, ma'am?
Okay, will do. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
I will, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Miss Attorney Walker?
Yes, Judge.
All right, I have a counsel, Mr. Who do I need? Attorney, where did he go?
I know, Yancy.
Oh, he's up in the corner. Newman wants to talk to you, okay?
Okay, Judge.
All right, thank you very much. I'm gonna put y'all both in room number 1. Thank you so very much. There you go, attorney, join room number 1 for me. All right. Ms. Wethington, you can just hang up the phone, okay? All right, Ms. Wilson,
Yes.
you can unmute yourself for me, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, you did already. I don't know why I was saying that. All right. Now I'm calling the matter of people versus Nikita Wilson. This is Z ticket 808581. This is 1 count of operating while visibly impaired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Nikita Wilson.
Judge, there is a recommendation before the court at this time to discharge the defendant from her terms and conditions of probation. We would have no objections, ask that the case be closed with improvement.
All right. All right, Miss Wilson, you did everything. Look at that smile on your face. Ooh, okay. I see that you did the alcohol victim impact. You did the Alcoholic Anonymous. You were continuing those, so you kept going to those. You completed the alcohol highway safety education. And one of the things I see is that I said any positive test will equal outpatient treatment. Did you have to do outpatient treatment? That means that you didn't test positive for anything. You gotta say something on the record. Say yes.
Yes.
Okay. How do you feel?
Good.
Good. You should, Miss Wilson. This is a great, great accomplishment, okay? Oh, Miss Wilson, you did it though. You proved to yourself you can handle it, and you did it. You paid all the costs and fines. You attended all the classes. You should feel really good about yourself that you were able to complete this, okay? Yes, I want you to be proud of yourself too. This is a great accomplishment. How are you feeling inside? You feeling good? Okay, I ain't gonna make you say too much. You okay? You just proud of yourself?
Yes.
You should be, okay? All right. It's with great pleasure at this point in time that the court finds that you did complete all the terms and conditions. You paid all the costs and fines. And so I'm going to close this matter out as successful, completing everything. Good luck to you, Miss Wilson. You did a fantastic job. You're welcome. You did a fantastic job, and you really should be proud of yourself. I hope you learned some things with this. This could be a hard lesson. It's a costly lesson, but I think that you really did find some value in this, okay?
Thank you.
You're very, very welcome, okay? We're so proud of you. My clerk even clapped for you. You couldn't see her, but she was so proud she started clapping for you. So, all right? All right.
Okay.
You're
Thank
all
you.
set, Ms. Wilson. Good luck to you. Thank you, and you have a good day. All right?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah, we had an attorney, Auntie, that needed to speak with the prosecutor too. I don't know why. And I don't even know who he was here for. Robert Ganty. Before I can check again.
I don't know where he went. Okay. What time?
Yeah, 49.
Watch as soon as I start calling.
No, so I go.
Were you ready on White, Robin White?
Ready?
Attorney Bob? All right. Start calling some. Miss White, Robin White?
Yes, I'm here.
You're not driving, are you right now?
I am not driving. I'm actually on my school bus.
Okay, all right, let's get this in. Now calling the matter of people versus Robin Latrice White.
Yes.
All right, ticket number SP 1263155, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, expired plates. Also calling ticket number P 1338841, 1 count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. State your name for the record, ma'am.
My name is Robin White.
And also an appearance from the department.
Corporal Darrell Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you and good morning to both of you. As to those matters for which the good corporal appears today, the defendant did appear and sent in compliance documents, Corporal. I've sent those to Corporation Counsel. Those are specifically a registration which expires on February 24th of 2024, Your Honor, for a vehicle. This is not the vehicle in question, but it is current and valid, a 2010 Chrysler. She also has insurance for that same vehicle from the Cure Auto Insurance Agency, effective January 5th of 2023, and will not expire until July 5th of 2023. It's actually for two vehicles, a Chrysler Town and Country and a Honda Pilot. The vehicle in question is no longer in service. Finding that the defendant is valid and current on another vehicle with respect to registration and insurance, I'm asking the court to dismiss this case without prejudice for compliance.
All right. Have a vehicle up to date now on being an officer of the court. I am going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss it without prejudice. I do realize this ticket was from a while ago, so she may have gotten a new vehicle, Corporal Bennett. That sounds possible in this particular matter. And then on the other ticket, the remaining ticket P1338841, no officer having checked in, the court is going to dismiss that without prejudice. Ms. White, I see that you need your license always to be valid and up to date for your job. Make sure you keep. I know. Make sure you keep everything valid and up to date, because if you do get no insurance, that will suspend your license, I think. So you got to make sure that you keep everything. If you have too many of them, it'll suspend your license. You gotta keep insurance. I know it's expensive. I live in the city too. We gotta keep our insurance up, okay?
I suggest everyone check out Cure Insurance. They are wonderful with the rates.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay, thank you so much, Ms. White. I appreciate it. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Corporal Bennett, you're all set as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Yep, we were surprised for a minute when you were checking in, Corporal Bennett. We were like, uh-oh, is he okay?
Oh, I know, yeah, I was on two computers and two different quick.
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We know you come, so we're glad to see
Yes,
your
ma'am.
face.
Have a good day.
All right. You too.
All right.
All right. All right. Officer, thank you, Ms. White. You drive those kids safely, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Attorney Puta, I'm gonna call your matter. I'm giving them enough time. He may be doing another court matter. You hear me, Attorney Puta? I'll call your matter a little early.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. All right. Now recalling the matter of People versus Leonid Zunachik. This is ticket number P1310493. One count disregard officer signal. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Julian Puda, P67520, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Zanucci.
Sir, state your name for the record, please. I messed it up. I did. Mr. Zanucci, unmute yourself and say your name for me, please.
Still unmute, sir.
You gotta unmute yourself. You see me asking you to unmute?
Leonid Zanucci.
There we go. How are we proceeding today, counsel? It's now
Your Honor, today's a date and time set for trial. It is my understanding the officer has not checked in. So on behalf of the defendant, I move for dismissal.
All right, the time is now 9:55 a.m. This matter is scheduled for 9 a.m. No officer having checked in, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Sir, I don't know whether you did it or not, but when you hear an officer, you gotta stop, okay? Or if it's an ambulance or whatever it is, you gotta make sure you stop, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, counsel. Thank you,
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
All right, thank you. You too, thank you. All right. Attorney D.T. Williams for Brandon Winter. Mr. Winter. All right. You can unmute yourself for me, Mr. Winter, please. Thank you.
All right, I'm on.
Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Brandon Paul Winter. This is ticket number X40622238. Count 1, accident failed to stop. Damage, accident, hit and run. Count 2, improper lane usage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
D. Todd Williams on behalf of Mr. Winter.
Mr. Winter, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brandon Paul Winter.
The time is now 9:56 a.m. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. How would you like to proceed, counsel?
Your Honor, it's my understanding the officer hasn't appeared. I make a motion to dismiss.
All right. What happened to it being in person? I got in person on here.
And then we got Zoom notices, Judge.
Okay, all right. You could have been in person. At this time, though, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Winter?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Angelina Yelderkey, Kyle. Yeah, must be letters in there. Angela, yellow cow.
I'm going to Zoom to 340 unless you guys need me right this second.
No, you should be good. Have you seen Officer Baker? I haven't seen him in a long time.
Oh. You know, I don't think I have, but I haven't heard anything is wrong either.
Okay. Yeah, he's on the ticket. He usually always comes. That's why I'm like, is he
Yeah,
okay? I haven't
I've
seen him in a
seen him.
long time.
I wonder if there's, that's weird. I'll send him a text message, but yeah, I haven't.
You know what? It's not. The case isn't set for a trial today, but I just thought in my memory, like I haven't seen him in a while.
Okay, I'll check up with him and I'll let you know if he responds.
Thank you. I just want to make sure you're all right. I saw his name and I said, I ain't seen him in a while. So
Yeah, you're right. That's not like him.
that's not at all. So okay.
All right, I'll Zoom. I'm gonna go to 340 and I'll check back shortly.
You should be good. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Miss Yelder, Kate, Kyle.
Angela, yeah.
Jermaine Williams. Oh, Mr. Williams. Oh, sir. Wake up, put your hat down. There we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jermaine Eugene Williams. This is ticket P 1305549. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. This is the date and time set for a bench trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Your full name, please, sir.
Jermaine Eugene Williams.
Thank you, Judge. We're moving to dismiss for failure of the complaining witness to appear at trial today.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for officer not appearing. Now, Mr. Williams, you have another court date with me on April 14th. Don't forget about that, please. This didn't include those tickets, okay?
Okay, and can I say something? Or?
Well, if it's not about the case, but what?
No, it was about them, what you got in your hand, because it.
Yeah, okay. Can't do that date? What's going on?
That was not me. I didn't
Okay.
get stopped. They just.
So if it's not you, make sure you flag your account because someone's using your information, okay? So you need to flag your account with the Secretary of State's office and bring that information back to court so that we can see you took care of that business, please.
Okay.
That'll give you plenty of time to take care of that. So on April 14th, they said, what, we make it 8:30? I'm gonna make it at 8:30 a.m., even though it's gonna say 1:30. So that way the prosecutor will be able to see the documents, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so make sure you file that though and have everything flagged. If someone's using your information, they're gonna tell you how to go about doing it so that you can make sure you present appropriate documents that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, we'll see you at 8:30 a.m. on April 14th, okay? That gives you plenty of time to take care of that and get that together, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're very welcome, Mr. Williams. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hello, I've been calling for you.
I went to the restroom, Judge. I apologize. I
It's
sent
okay.
a message to the attorney that I was going to the restroom.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of people versus Angela Hunt. Is it Angela? Angela Honey, Yelda Cow. This is
Yes,
ticket
ma'am.
138011744. Count 1, registration and/or plate violation. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1380173. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you please state your name for the record?
My name is Angela Honey Yelder Kyle.
Thank you, ma'am. Judge, the defendant presents today with some valid documents. She does have registration and insurance, and I know that those cases will be dismissed here for compliance. I give my stipulation and probable cause for the stop and that recommendation. The defendant will be pleading guilty on the regarding the traffic control device to a reduced charge of blockading that is 0 points. And she just asked the courtesy of some time to pay the fine.
Okay. All right. That's the case. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of August 13th, 2022, in the area of Berg and Pembroke in the city of Detroit. Ms. Yelda Kyle was driving a Nissan vehicle and did block traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you.
So at this time, you're welcome. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed for compliance with documents. Ma'am, the fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay those fines and costs. How much time do you need?
Can I get 30 days, Your Honor?
You can. Yep. So I'll give you until March 13th, 23. Does that give you enough time?
Yes, ma'am. That's enough.
Okay. We'll give you until March 13th to have that payment in, okay?
Okay, so all I would have to do is, can I pay that online or how does it work?
Yep, you can go to 36districtcourt.org and look up your name and put on your license or whatever information. You can also do the ticket number and it'll pop up whatever you have left and it'll show you that you need to pay this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you can break it up into 2 payments too if that helps out a little bit.
That would help, Your Honor.
I was gonna say, as long as it's all paid, you're fine. You could do like 2 separate payments to get it there.
That's
okay. All right, ma'am, if there's nothing further, that is a 0 point fix. And it doesn't go on your driver's license. So
Thank you. Today.
You too, thank you. Mr. Woodget?
Yes.
All right.
Your Honor, may I have 4 minutes?
Yes. Okay, Mr. Woodget, just hold tight, okay? And we'll call your matter in a moment, okay?
Yes.
All right, just hold tight. I got you. Go ahead, William. You have a problem?
Okay, I'm ready, Your Honor. Yep, Mike's live though. Sorry, Your Honor, I am now ready.
All right. Mr. Woodard, you can unmute yourself now. Got someone help. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus James Rufus Woodard. This is ticket number P1311366. This is one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is a date and time set for a bench trial.
The record,
Bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
for the record, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please, Mr. Woodard, state your name, please.
James Rufus Woodard.
And just as matter set for bench trial, there is no complaining witness. It has been over an hour and a half since trial was to be called at 9 hour and 20 minutes. Would you consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice, please?
Yes, at this time, no. It is now 10:19 a.m. No officer having showed up to this matter. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. All right, sir, you are all set. Thank you very much, Mr. Widget.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Mhm. Can you turn me off?
I can. I sure can. You have a good day, okay?
All right.
All right. Mr. Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
can you take your hat off for me for the hearing, please? Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Henry Williams. This is ticket number SP1209159. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please, sir?
Robert Henry Williams.
Mr. Lieutenant Williams, Your Honor, presents today with valid and compliant documents. I've reviewed them. I've sent them forward to Ms. Walker Corporation Counsel. Specifically his driver's license, which was issued on January 21st of 2022 and will not expire until May 9th of 2025. Registration, which is current and valid and will not expire until April 9th of 2023, to his 2010 Ford, and a certificate of insurance from the Cure Auto Insurance Agency, which is valid from April 8th of 2023 through August 8th of the same year. Finding that these are valid and current, knowing that the policy is for the prosecutor to dismiss for compliance, I'm stipulating the probable cause for that recommendation here. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Being an officer of the court, having now seen valid documentation, court's going to grant your request. I take it, sir, you don't have this other vehicle anymore. Is that right, Mr. Williams?
That's correct.
All right, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid and up to date and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Got it, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you are all set. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. And I got one more person. This is not yours, Attorney Bachman. So if you need to go, you're all set for this morning, okay?
All right, have a great day.
You too, Mr. Williams. All right, Attorney Bachman, I don't think you have anybody else if you need to go.
Thanks, Judge.
All right.
See you next time.
Okay, thank you. Being a special part of us today. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The retained counsel. Can't go back out the room now. I'm trying to get one.
Is the big thing in I don't know what attorney gets. Oh, yeah.
Attorney Newman?
Hello, Your Honor.
You know what happened to your client?
Yeah, she's calling me right now. Just give me I'm sorry, 1 second, please.
It's okay. No, I tried to get you out so I could do you a little earlier and it wasn't working. So I had to wait to close the rooms down. I was like, where'd he go?
No, yeah, I was
Take
gonna
your
break
time.
that.
You're my last person, so get it all together and I'll do you. Okay?
I apologize. Thank you.
No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I apologize. By any chance, can we just have this whole matter adjourned?
Why? You don't want to handle it today?
We could, but my client needs to go to the doctor's office right now to grab something from there. So that's the only way we can really handle something like that is if it's going to take another half hour or so, and I don't want the court to wait on something like that.
All right. Let me see when are you available to come back next, attorney?
We can come back the soonest date you have available, to be honest.
Oh, yeah. So my question is gonna be, are we keeping them as trials or is it gonna be an arraignment or a formal hearing? What we doing with these?
Yeah,
That's
can we keep it as the same?
Okay, so I'm gonna have to put it out just a little ways because I need to give the officer at least 3 weeks, or is it 4 weeks? 3 weeks notice. So they have to have 3 weeks notice of the new trial date. So
Okay. Can I let Shannon know real quick? Hey,
Can
Shannon,
you just give me the trial date and I can make sure that the officer is there?
okay.
that's fine.
Okay. Let me see. Can you look up March 13th?
Yeah, 17. 23 pre-trial.
March 6th.
Yeah, 3.
Oh, it's not there. I show.
34 pre-trial, they're probably the same person.
Okay. How about March 6th? Will you look at your calendar and see if that works? At 9 a.m. And Attorney Walker, is that okay? That gives us like 3 weeks to get officer back
Yes,
here.
that's fine, Judge. I'll notify Officer Croxton.
Let me make sure it works for you.
At 9 a.m. That's perfect.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna just call it on the record. I know your client's not here, but just to make sure we make a record of it. Now calling the matter of the people versus Laura Waller. This is ticket P1416913. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Also calling ticket number SP1416961. This is 1 count speeding, 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Can I have your appearance for the record, Attorney Newman?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court. Attorney David Newman, PA 2515, Attorney David Newman appearing on behalf of Laura Waller. Date and time scheduled for a formal hearing. I would like to adjourn this matter, Your Honor, to March 6th at 9 a.m.
All right. All right, Officer Croxton was here today. However, your client needed to do something, so I'm gonna waive her appearance. You have authority to act on her behalf today?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're gonna place this on the docket on March 6, 2023. The speeding ticket will be on a formal hearing. The other 2 tickets will be set for an actual bench trial in this particular matter. I'll see everybody back on March 23rd at 9 a.m. for these matters, okay?
Thank you. I'm sorry, what was the date? March 23rd?
I'm sorry, March 6, 23.
March-
I'm so sorry, March 6. March 6. You were right the first time with the date, March 6.
Oh, thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you for catching that correction. You have a good day, okay?
You as well. Thank you, Ms. Walker.
All right, we'll see ya. Judge,
Thank
was
you.
that the
Yep.
final matter that needed my
That was
attention?
the final matter. I am all set with my morning docket.
Are we still live, Judge?